Welcome to the era of the third eye. Unity and integrity for all.
This video has been created to introduce the transformational concept of AI Third Eye, a database-driven artificial intelligence system designed to see what the human mind cannot. While human perception is limited to the visible, the true causes of our losses, conflicts, and inefficiencies lie in the invisible. AI Third Eye is built to reveal them. Number 1. The core idea, the third eye of technology. In spirituality, the third eye symbolizes higher consciousness. Similarly, AI Third Eye offers a higher level of intelligence through deep data analysis. Its purpose, to quantify hidden losses, the direct and indirect costs that society routinely overlooks, but which silently weaken families, institutions, and nations. 2. Solving the generation gap and social friction. The video highlights how the generation gap fuels disagreements, mistrust, and inefficiency. AI Third Eye acts as a neutral arbitrator, providing objective, data-driven truth that both sides can trust. It replaces arguments with evidence and confusion with clarity. Measuring the invisible economy of waste. A central theme is the scientific measurement of waste. AI Pointed Eye envisions a future where society can finally quantify indirect losses, missed opportunities, wrong decisions, behavioral inefficiencies. Once measured accurately, these insights can optimize resources, cut losses, and drive unprecedented productivity. Have for the ultimate goal, a practical path to heaven on earth. If we can see and fix what is currently invisible, we can reduce poverty, eliminate conflict, and build an efficient, merit-driven, corruption-free society. AI Third Eye is the technological divine power that makes the invisible visible. By instantly analyzing every action, decision, and process, it can detect what the normal human mind fails to see, trigger alerts the moment something goes wrong, ensure maximum productivity and honesty, prevent culprits from hiding inefficiency, corruption, or
by distance, but by misunderstanding.
Outdated. Seniors कहते हैं बच्चे बेकार. सच? दोनों आधे सही.
social engineering losses is missing, how AI now makes such quantification possible, how AI.Third Eye can trigger global accountability, and the way forward for governments, alumni bodies, political parties, and families. Number one, why PhD level thesis work on this topic is almost non-existent. Reason one, social losses are multidimensional. Direct and indirect losses arise simultaneously from wrong policy planning, freebies, vote bank economics, reservation distortions, corruption, misallocation of public funds, bureaucratic delays, weak auditing, resource underutilization. Academia has no single mathematical model to quantify all these together. Reason two, no access to granular data. A PhD researcher, even in a top university, cannot access audit logs, fund utilization records, tender data, human resource deployment, real productivity metrics, district-level economic output, subsidy misuse data, welfare leakage reports. Governments do not share this level of transparency. Reason three, political and bureaucratic resistance. If someone quantifies losses due to freebies, reservation inefficiencies, corruption, political mismanagement, it would create national uproar and pressure on ruling parties. Hence, such research never reaches publication stage. Reason four, no AI earlier. Before AI, there was no technology capable of real-time anomaly detection, feeding
An
millions
MTech in
of
machine
data
design
points,
from IIT
modeling human
Roorkee.
behavior.
I now stand as a Global Council member of IIT Roorkee Alumni Association, elected to represent alumni. My is to contribute meaningfully through innovative ideas, ethical governance models, and socially impactful AI applications. We value short-term visibility and fundraising over. I would be honored to discuss further and offer my voluntary services in any such initiative that
Behavior, predicting economic loss due to decisions, analyzing public opinion shifts. Now AI has made this possible. Number two, with AI, this will become the biggest global revolution. AI is capable of quantifying social losses with accuracy never imagined. AI can now calculate loss due to free electricity, high free water, loss due to 10% misallocation of funds. Number five, way forward for India and global leaders like Namo. Step one, launch National Social Loss Quantification, NSLQ reports every year. Loss due to freebies, loss due to corruption, loss due to reservations, loss due to misplanning, loss due to unproductive youth, loss due to unused senior expertise. Step two, make AI.Third Eye an official GovT advisory engine, integrated with PMO Data Lake, CAG, NITI Aayog, state governments, local bodies. Step three, present countrywide social engineering loss index. India can lead the world. Number six, role of alumni associations, political parties, and families. A, IIT, NIT alumni bodies. Start AI-driven startups to audit infrastructure, improve productivity, design transparency tools, create local GDP enhancement projects. Every alumni chapter can launch 10 AI-based micro companies, 1,000 new jobs. B, political parties can use AI.Third Eye to prepare manifestos based on data,